Let's learn about shapes. 形の名前。 Hello everyone, it's Noni 先生。 Today we're going to learn about shapes. 今日は英語で shapes、 いろんな形の名前が言えるように一緒に練習しよう。形っていろんなところで見られるよね。Let's learn some fun shapes together. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Hello, I'm a triangle.
Hello. Hi, triangle.
Hi, I'm a rectangle.
Hi, rectangle.
Hello, I'm a circle.
Hello, circle.
Hi, I'm a heart.
Hi, heart.
Hello, I'm a diamond.
Hello, diamond.
Hi, I'm a square.
Hi, square.
Hello, I'm an oval.
Hello, oval.
Good evening, I'm a star.
Good evening, star.
Good evening, I am a crescent.
Good evening, crescent.
Hello, I'm a semicircle.
Hello, semicircle.
Now, let's say the names of the shapes together. 今度は一緒に形の名前を言ってみよう。Triangle, Rectangle, Square, Circle, Heart, Diamond, Oval, Star, Crescent, Semicircle.
Great job, everyone. 今日はいろんな shapes を覚えたね。どんな形が一番好きだった？ Make sure to practice your shapes at home. それじゃあまたね。See you next time.